I'm going to be having the link to the wreath in the description box below, and also the blank white horse head where you can follow along and make your own. I'm going to be using a noseband. It is lace with some crystal accents. A lot of times I just used a crystal ribbon, but this is what I had available right now. So I'm going to use this as it's very similar to what I normally use. And then of course I'm just stapling the frosted pine garland along the neckline to make the mane. If you yourself want to use a ribbon, this would be a great place to glue a ribbon in. I'm going to be using a small piece of styrofoam to anchor some of the bigger components to this wreath, some of the ornaments and pine cones, and I'm going to be using white wood roses that I have spray painted white. And once again, I'm going to be plugging Hobby Lobby because I'm going to be using these ornament picks. They're glittery, they're silvery, they've got these icy crystals glued around them, so they're very sparkly, but the great thing is they're very lightweight and they will easily glue to this horse head, and also they're not breakable. So I like to use these kind of things rather than real ornaments, but you can also use real ornaments. That will work just as well. And sticking with the frosted theme, I'm going to be using these frosted pine cones that, of course, I got from Hobby Lobby, but you can make your own. You can just use any pine cones, even from your yard. Make sure they don't have any bugs in them, but you can then just dust them with a little bit of white spray paint very lightly, and that will give you a frosted look. I'm going to glue these not quite straight down the neckline, some more forward, some more back, kind of to and fro. It will make the neckline look thicker and make the mane look thicker, and I kind of like that than just like everything glued in a very linear fashion down the neck. If you enjoyed making this wreath with me, please like and subscribe to my channel. You can also find me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest. I'm pretty much everywhere. So if you even want to reach out to me and show me some of your creations, I would absolutely love to see them. Thank you, and until next time, happy crafting.